What's going on, guys? Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. Today's video we're going to be going over the Vortex, by far my most popular tool that I have come to love and adore, and I preach about it all day long. This is an amazing air tool that you will love, and you'll see hopefully today a couple reasons why I love this. Traditionally, we started with your Tornador brand right here, right? This tool is amazing. I can't say anything wrong for this tool other than, sadly, due to my accidents and pains, I can no longer hold too much weight, which led me to switch over to the Vortex. All right, so here we go. What is good thing about this tool is pretty much it's light, very maneuverable, and I use this to blow literally all my door panels, all my crevices, vents. One thing about this is I like to blow everything first, so here we go. Watch this real quick. And yes, it makes a mess, guys, so don't kill me on that. So one thing I like about this is just the simplicity of it. So let me go ahead and kind of show you a little bit of how I use this in my world. So here we go. Let me turn on this vacuum. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. So, if you have a Tornador, this would probably be your little canister, just like I just showed you. But here I'm just going to use this as my APC with the brush, and all I do is just spray it, and then I'm going to scrub it. I'll do a quick scrub, and then I will use the Vortex air tool to kind of loosen all the debris. And then I'm using obviously my Merrillix Mini 1000. Alright, and then we'll just do some light agitation. And again, this is just for video purposes, so there will be a lot of defects in this, but it's just to show you a little bit of my tool. So here we go. And just come and wipe it off. And look at that difference of just having the Vortex air tool. We can see all the dirt and grime here. That would be your before and your after. Alright, so this tool, you can definitely find it on Amazon for under, I would say about under $40 on Amazon. What I use it on my daily is preferred. They say you need a big air compressor to pull the amount of air. But for me, on my daily world, this is what I use. For some, this is probably not the correct air compressor, but it works in my world. We have a Porter cable, 6-gallon air compressor with a 25-foot hose, and it does the job for me. You don't need the big stuff. This gets the job done in my world. So this is definitely a great product to be using if you're not looking into purchasing or spending too much money on the Tornador brand. This is a great off-brand to use. But if you guys want to learn more about the Tornador, this is going to be the part 2 video when you're going to go to Aqualux Auto Detailing with my great friend Landon Crawford, and he is going to give you a demonstration on how he uses that product in his business. So hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and God bless you guys.